data is critical, and in Office 365 with everyone working remotely, it's absolutely essential that we get that backed up. Microsoft tells you it's your data. They tell you that because you're responsible for backing it up. They don't back it up. If you need to do granular restores, the ability to back up OneDrive, SharePoint instances, informational pieces that are attached inside of your email, and even parts of OneDrive can be backed up with our Office 365 product. Best part, Office 365 lives in Azure. You never have to take it out of Azure. Our product will use storage that lives in Azure today, and then you can move it back and forth across the country at night into multiple Azure locations, allowing for that safe and secure environment you're looking for your data.